Sometimes when I do a search in Zoho, the records that display on the screen don't always display the fields that would help me select the record that I'm looking for. For example, if a date field was there, it might help me pick the right note that I want to see. Or if it's a custom module, I only see one core field and that's it. So it's not very helpful. Hi, I'm Susan, author of the Zoho CRM Quick Study Guide and full-time consultant of all things Zoho. You know, when you're doing those searches, it's pretty easy to add the fields that would help you select the right record when the search results display in a list. It's something that each user can do, and you can pick the fields that would be the most helpful to you. Let's see how easy it would be to make those changes.
Let's say I'm searching for manufacturing companies, and I'm going to use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in manufacturing. Notice that I have several things that I can look at if I want to, but what I'd like to do is show you how to change the search result columns and how they display. The first thing I find annoying, and I wish this wasn't the default, but the owner displays right at the left. And I really want to see the account name. So up here at the upper right, there's this little drop down thing where I can take and drag the name up to the top and drag the account owner to the bottom. But also, it's kind of important for me to understand what state they're in. So if I want to, I can type in the name of a field that I'm looking for, which would be the billing state, and I can click Save. So now I can see it. I don't like the order of it again, so I'm just going to come in here and just drag things around just like this. It helps me to know which manufacturing companies I might be looking for. The same thing with contacts. I can change it here to, I always like to see the full name or the name of the contact, what I'm looking for first, and then change things around there. And again, any field that you have that's in the record, I can easily go ahead and add that field if I want to and move it around. Well, sometimes it's easier just to save and then come back in and move it up to where I want it to be. If you like, again, same thing here. I don't like seeing who the host is here first. I would rather see the title first and then the host last, and who it's related to and where it's from. Sometimes I might put in location, but I always like to see the date. Same thing with notes. I think I mentioned that in the intro. I might want to know when the note was created and who was it created by, who is the note owner, and click Save. Once I've gotten this saved, or once I've made these changes, it is only unique to me and to my login. It does not affect anybody else in the system. So you can opt to display any columns you want to, but once you have done that, the columns will always display that way for you.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.